Have you ever wondered what really happens to milk before it reaches your glass? This white liquid travels through machines, extreme temperatures, and strict tests. Today, we reveal everything. The journey begins at the farm. Cows are medically inspected, and udders are sanitized before automated machines hygienically extract fresh milk at body temperature. Cooling isn't optional, it's the first defense. Milk is immediately chilled to 4 degrees Celsius and transported in refrigerated tankers to prevent any bacterial growth. At the factory, every batch faces a strict laboratory test. Fat levels, antibiotic residues, and bacterial counts are checked. One failed test, and thousands of liters are discarded. Next is pasteurization. Using the HTST method, milk is heated to 72 degrees for 15 seconds to kill harmful bacteria while preserving nutrients, then immediately cooled. To ensure a smooth texture, the milk is homogenized. Fat molecules are forced through tiny nozzles at high pressure, preventing cream from ever separating at the top. In the standardization phase, fat levels are precisely adjusted. Computerized systems regulate percentages to create the specific milk products you see on the shelves. Finally, automated packaging. In a sterile environment, milk is sealed into airtight containers without a single drop being touched by hand, ensuring maximum hygiene. From cold chain distribution to your table, it's a journey of precision. So the next time you pour a glass, remember, it's science and technology working together.